Namaste and a very good morning to our Honorable Advisor Sir, our Honorable guests, our respected higher dignitaries present over here, our respected faculty members, and my dear JVN. I, JVN Sonam Balwan,
and I am JVN Nazia Firdausi from.
First of all, I would like to introduce you all about what actually is our university's JV Mantra Day celebration. Under the guidance of our Honorable Founder and Advisor Sir, our university started a new initiative for the protection and promotion of greenery and joyful environment in our campus. That is JV Mantra Day celebration.
Our Honorable Founder and Advisor Sir announced to celebrate 21st of every month as JV Mantra Day monthly celebration day, and our JV Mantra is green, clean, happiness, ha ha ha.
Sharma, Dean and Director of Faculty of Political Science, Jyoti Vidyapeeth, Women's University, welcome you all on the JV Mantra Day celebration and award facilitation program in the memory of our founder and advisor Sir, Honorable Pankaj Garg Sirji, who himself was a good homeopath by profession, in collaboration with the Praxan Drugs and Pharmaceutical Private Limited, New Delhi. Dr. Pankaj Garg Sir was the resource person for JV Mantra Day, Green, Clean, Happiness, ha ha ha, to be celebrated on every 21st of every month. Under his visionary leadership, Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University achieved many awards in different fields. The recent award related to homeopathy was recorded in India Book of Records, where largest number of female interns had distributed Swan Prashan on Tukhi Nakshatra, arsenic urban Katti, among the children of the university adopted villages. Dr. Pankaj Garg Sir was a born fighter. He had achieved a lot in a very young age. Faculty of Homeopathy Science, which was established under his guidance for providing quality education, especially to females in the field of homeopathy in 2014.
फुल जॉय और हैप्पीनेस के साथ हम हमेशा जेवी मंत्रा सेलिब्रेट करते रहेंगे ज्योति विद्यापीठ में, जब तक भी हम लोग यहाँ पे हैं। और आप लोग जहाँ भी जाएंगे यहाँ से पास आउट होकर अपने कैरियर को, इस मंत्रा को अपने साथ हमेशा रखें। तो लेट्स स्टार्ट। ग्रीन, क्लीन, हैप्पीनेस, हा हा हा। वंस अगेन, green, clean, happiness.
Please give a huge round of applause for the first rank holder, JVM Manasvi Gaudia. Please give a huge round of applause.
बोलते थे वो हमारी प्यारी बिटियाओं, बोलते थे वो हमारी प्यारी बिटियाओं, आज न जाने कहाँ खो गई आवाज वो, रहेंगे यादों में हमेशा जिंदा हो, बनके हमारे प्रेरणा स्रोत हो।
Certificates of the faculty members that was for the seminar for international webinar that was conducted on 22nd of March 2021 in collaboration with Hahnemann College of Homeopathy, UK. So we have various certificates that were issued. The first certificate that was issued for the Faculty of Homeopathic Science. So I would request Honorable Advisor Sir to provide the faculty certificate to our Dean Sir, Dr. M.P. Sharma Sir. First the certificate for the Faculty of Homeopathic Science. Next certificate. Next certificate is for Dr. M.P. Sharma sir. No talking please. Next certificate, Dr. Rakesh Sharma sir. Dr. Rakesh sir, please come on the stage. Next, Dr. Rashmi Agarwal ma'am. Next, JVM Dr. Ramesh Chand Sharma sir. Next, JVM Dr. Alka Jain ma'am. Dr. Alka Jain ma'am. Next, JVM Dr. Hemant Vyas sir. JVM Dr. Ajay Katoria sir.
JVM Dr. Ravi Jain sir. JVM Dr. Aksha ma'am. JVM Dr. Gaurav Gupta sir. JVM Dr. Mona Pathak ma'am. JVM Dr. Neha Modi ma'am.
Rajni Gandha ma'am.
Rajni Mishra.
Rajni Gandha ma'am.
Rajni ma'am. Rajni ma'am.
JVM Dr. Rajnigandha ma'am. Dr. JVN Zeba Nishat ma'am.
Welcome to each and everyone gathered here for this award felicitation event, and sincere thanks to our guest, Mr. Vasudev Devanani from Baxen Drugs and Pharmaceuticals Private Limited, who has graced his presence and shared his valuable time with us to organize the event and help us to make this event a success. I would also like to congratulate all the awardees, and I would also like to appreciate the presence of all the students and teachers in the event. Many of you are graduating from JVWU. I am sure in the coming few years, we will be seeing some of the greatest medical professionals sitting among us. I wish good luck to all the students, that you may all do your best and achieve your goals. Jai Hind, Jai Nigel.
Very good afternoon to all. Namaste. Sat Sri Akal. I'm very happy to be with you today, and thanks to the Dean, Principal, and the entire team for giving us opportunity to be with you for a long time. I, on behalf of Baxen Drugs and Pharmaceutical Private Limited, takes a pleasure to get associated with the University Jyoti Vidyapith University. As you all know, Baxen Drugs and Pharmaceutical Private Limited believes in giving homeopathy at its best, and I can be proud of saying that Baxen in India is a leading corporate homeopathic company manufacturing cosmetics, ointments, gels, generic products, patent also. Baxen has a background of 38 years. It was started in 1980. Dr. S.P.S. Bakshi, who is one of the homeopaths practicing in Delhi, his vision is very clear. How do we reach homeopathy in the masses across the world? It can be manufactured in India. Now, it's always a concept in the mind that German medicine are the best, Indian medicines are average. This is the concept. Last 10 years I had been working in Germany and also in Saudi Arabia. Of course, you know the companies which are from Germany. They have a unit in Germany, they have a unit in India. So it's an Indian company and it's a German company. And what they do is that when they manufacture the medicine in India, they tell it's a German and the price is double. Now, you're all students. What I want to say that Baxen company believes in quality, believes in ethics, and believes in giving the medicine at the price where every person can afford. Like what you have, JV Mantra, green, happiness. Homeopathy also we want, it should be available at the masses level.